Welcome children in chemistry class. You have to study Charles' law. Jacques Charles studied relationship between temperature and volume of gas. To study the relationship between temperature and volume of a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure. Then he found the volume of gas increases on increasing the temperature. Volume of gas increases on increasing temperature. And the volume of gas decreases on decreasing temperature. Volume of gas decreases on decreasing temperature. So when he took a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, then he found the volume of gas is going to change as temperature is going to change. So Jacques Charles studied the temperature volume relation of gas and found experimentally that for a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume expands or contract by 1 upon 273 of its volume at 0 degree centigrade for every degree Celsius rise in temperature. It means at 0 degree centigrade, volume is V0. So when 1 degree centigrade temperature was increased, then at 1 degree centigrade temperature, volume is V0 plus 1 upon 273 of V0. If 2 degree centigrade temperature was increased, then V2 equal to V0 plus 2 upon 273 into V0. Like this, if T degree centigrade temperature increase, then Vt is equal to V0 plus T upon 273 into V0. So this was studied by Jacques Charles. So on the basis of this observation, Charles given the law. So what is the Charles law? Charles law. That is, pressure remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of dry gas increases or decreases by 1 upon 273 of its original volume at 0 degree centigrade for each degree centigrade rise or fall in temperature. So here absolute scale temperature, absolute scale temperature, a temperature scale with absolute zero as its starting point is called absolute or Kelvin scale temperature. So absolute zero is the temperature minus 273 degrees centigrade is called absolute zero. Minus 273 degrees centigrade is called absolute zero. Reduction of volume of gas to 0 cubic centimeter is only a theoretically concept. Practically all gases liquefied or solidified before reaching this absolute zero. Only theoretically we can say absolute zero is the temperature at which volume of the gas become 0 cubic centimeter. But practically the volume of gas cannot be zero. Its reason is before that gas is changed into liquid or into solid. Gas is liquefied or solidified. So new temperature scale with its zero at minus 273. We are taking a new temperature scale and its zero is minus 273 degree centigrade. And each degree is equal to 1 degree on the Celsius scale is called absolute or Kelvin scale temperature. Absolute or Kelvin scale temperature. So in the Kelvin scale temperature or absolute scale temperature is what? There 0 is minus 273 degrees centigrade. So what is the relationship between Kelvin and Celsius? Relation between Kelvin and Celsius. It is T is equal to 273 plus T degrees centigrade. This T is the absolute or Kelvin temperature. So it means in the degree centigrade, on adding 273, we are getting the temperature in Kelvin. So when 273 is added in the degree centigrade, we can get Kelvin. Now Charles' law is defined as pressure remaining constant. Pressure is constant. Means pressure is neither going to increase nor decrease. Then volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, to its absolute temperature. So at constant pressure, volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. It means V proportional T and P is constant. Then V proportional T, P is constant. It means V upon T is equal to K and K is constant. Now we are taking at volume of a fixed mass of gas at T1 temperature is V1 and at T2 temperature volume is V2. Then V1 upon T1 equal to V2 upon T2. This is the Charles law equation. V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. So this is called Charles law equation. Charles law equation. So what is the Charles law equation? V1 upon T1 equal to V2 upon